Hi guys, today I will be doing a flower wall, and for that you are going to need 2 poster boards, flowers to your liking, a hot glue gun, flower wire in the shape of a heart, and a pen or pencil. First, we are going to trace the heart in both of our poster boards. Then we are going to glue all of our flowers around the heart until it is complete. And there you have it, a beautiful flower wall, great for birthday parties, baby showers, and weddings. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!